Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a user from QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your team's access or tidying up your account, this guide will make the process simple. First, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. This icon gives you access to your account settings and management features. Click the gear icon and select Manage Users from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the section where all users associated with your account are listed. Next, find the user you want to remove, look for the small action icon next to their name, and click it. A menu will appear with different options for that user. From this menu, select Delete. This will remove the user's access to QuickBooks, ensuring they can no longer log in or make changes. Remember, deleting a user is permanent, so double-check that you are removing the correct person. And that's it. You've successfully removed a user from your QuickBooks Online account. Keeping your user list updated helps maintain the security and integrity of your financial data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.